Well, hello, mate. Right, now here we go. On top we have orange 58cc, and below we have red nut 58cc. Now 58cc is in a modern chassis, modern saw for a Chinese saw, but the cylinder is an old-fashioned 4 quad cylinder, small combustion chamber, and I can't buy them no more. So I think that will have more power than that one. Now orange has a modern 4 transfer chambers up, but the combustion chamber is a lot rounder in the cylinder. So the compressor's not as good, and I'll do a video. We'll try and do a picture of why. So if you think of the cylinder itself, so I've got this wet board over this way out of the road, hopefully. Yeah, snappy, go on. Right, I'll try and scribble this best I can on the board. I've worked out I can draw on this. So here we got the wall of the cylinder. Okay, so that's one wall. So there's another wall here. And inside here somewhere is where the piston is. The piston goes up and down. Your wrist pin goes to pin. The bottom of your piston and your rings, okay? So that piston's going up and down the cylinder. Now orange, what's going on with that? You got your combustion chamber at the top, spark plug at the side, you got killing things, all that crap. In the top of the combustion chamber, where your piston comes up and meets the combustion area, it has a lip on the cylinder roof. So the very top there's a square on both sides. Now the square is very, very small, like that. So as the piston comes up, your piston goes to the base of that square, and that's it. Now I can't remove that square, and I'm talking, it's probably half a mil, it's not very much, but the squish starts at there. I've got tool to remove that and adjust the squish on that, but I have cut the squish band on the cylinder on both saws, so we're running about 25 thou inch squish up here by machining that part there. But orange compression wire doesn't sound the same as red nut, so I'll put that back to the saw. Hopefully that's more explaining what is going on, why. So listen to the saw. I'm not going to start them, but you'll hear them. Or just fall down, why don't you? You'll hear the difference in noise. I was playing around with it last night, but my phone charger and thing didn't charge. But a leak came in. So orange is off. Let's listen to what it sounds like. I'll do fast idle so it's getting some air. It still sounds good, but not enough. So it's got compression, but not much because of that square lip on the cylinder bore, which goes around the whole circle of the cylinder. But it's a lip, and I need to remove that lip and flatten her out so she'll better squish. Now with red nut, her square is nowhere near as bad. It still has one, but you got the combustion chamber, it's a different step, so it's off. I'll do fast idle. Right, check. That's it, check. Back in, fast idle, that's the way that one works. Listen to this. So it's more of a deeper thud when it goes. Orange. So different. The red nut's got a dual outlet port exhaust. So it's a bigger one. They come out in all different sizes, but it's been gutted. There's nothing in there. Orange has got a handmade exhaust. So that port there goes back to the base of the exhaust. It's got no guts, but it's a different noise altogether. So maybe that will cause the noise to sound different, but it feels different compression wise. So we're going to play around with both today and do some cutting. My mate he organised some logs for me, so we'll go for a quick look. But today's a real wet day, as you can see, just drizzling rain. I've been waiting all day to come out and do some cutting. Getting fairly late now, it's almost 3:30. But we've got some logs up here. I like to cut some stuff for him. He gives me petrol and oil. So what we got? Perfect size for the they're both running 325 chains, semi-chisel, sharpened up best I can with the electric chain sharpener. Best I can do it. That's that one there. That's a bigger one. It's a small one. Probably start here. And then that bigger one. Wow. You fun that one. See, you gotta look out for things. Look at that. That's not good. Why is that embedded in the end? Nearly see things like that. It's like it's been put there recently. It's not loose. I'm trying to get a hammer on that and snap it out. But things like that destroy your chain right away. So I'll do that one last. In the morning. Maybe not. But seeing it now, I'm scared. It's got a bit of white ants, so crap. Yep, they're alive too. Yeah, guys, in America, your white ants do look like this. Ours are more normally whiter. No whiter, they're orange. Different breed. We got heaps of breeds. But news for any of you guys in America. Australia has a small island below it called Tasmania. Tasmania does not have white ants, I've been told. So why that part of the world has no white ants, I've got no idea. They have the world's biggest tree down there. You know, you Yanks don't want to admit it, believe me, but it's 30 foot taller than any other trees in America. Just recently, I saw it on YouTube, and YouTube is always correct. So it should be gospel, I suppose. So I got that one there. That's pretty good. I'm not hanging out. I should have looked before. White ants. So what breed do we have here? No breed. Normally you cut them and they fall out and they die and don't want to go back. Unless you leave your firewood sitting there for years, they come back, but normally they don't. So it's pretty good, pretty safe. Stack your firewood up for at least 1 year. Unless you've got a nest somewhere nearby, underground, and they're always around. Alright, so I'll get the saws and warm up and see she goes. I'll start small, some work way up. Go get your saws going. Yeah, I will. That should be fun for me. Been raining all day and finally stops. So I'll do this angle here. I'll do it cut from the side. I don't cut. If you watch the videos, I don't really video much from the right. So I'll be here this side. Yes, see the saw, and it's all that's coming this side. It's hard. I don't know why it always seems to be left. I'm not sure why. But see, I get here now. There's a log here. So I'll still cut around, but I'll do a few right here cuts. Get the saws. I've just put oil and petrol on to be fine. So. Hello. Oh, I've had too much caffeine, guys. Yeah, weird. You know, we're an animal of prediction. We can actually do things we do, and it can be predicted what we do. We're a herd animal. We do what we do. I always have a certain drink, tea. I've been a tea lover years ago before I had twins. You know, with the coffee, and yeah, I've had tea last few weeks, just tea. And my daughter gave me a cup of coffee, so I'm a bit more drinking coffee, caffeine right now. Don't know why. Yeah, a bit more look. Don't get this set up, they're both cold. It's cold. Then I'll side down. Start. Now let's start. That's on. Cover up. How many pulls? 1, 2, 2. I didn't say that these saws, they were both richened up just a bit. So I gave them a bit more fuel and high before I even started them up, because I haven't run these since I gave them extra squish, so all less squish. So I'm going to make that one a bit more loud. The high is too high, too much fuel. That one there seems to be going right. It's heavy, it likes it, so I'll on that off just a bit. I have to move the camera though, because I'm going to cut that side, it's going unlevel, so move that over to there, couple that one again. But the red nut, she felt good, I like that, they're very nice. So I'll lean this one off a bit. We're still going, yep. So I gave about a quarter of a turn on the fuel. Didn't know if I could do it, so I just shoved it in there, loosened her up. Shove it back in. Find the screw. No, wrong way, Kevin. Now back that way. In is Lena. So we'll go from that and sing hello. Let's add in this tray. Here's yellow. Alright guys. Fill it up. The reason I did that, I didn't know how it should perform, how it should react, how it would more less squish. So I just didn't know. So I will have to tune this, but yeah, we'll see. just under 4 strokes. Just. Right, that's better. But straight away, red nut, she wins that one, you feel it. So we're going to start up. I think she's running the right way. I don't think she has to be tuned. She feels good. So I'll get her and cut her. Right, come here, red nut. Oh. Do. See ads, when they get in your head, you sing them, they've done their job by advertising. Well, hello. And that's not a new motor, second hand. That feels so different. Alright, we'll move on to the next block. We're over here, guys. Alright, we'll move on. Moving, everyone move. Move places, Reg, over here, Reg. We'll go with Red Nut because she's already warmed up. Just checking out how off balance she is. Before we get 2 cuts. Move Red Nut, then orange. Yeah, baby, that. I suppose that ad, everything's orange and gold. Hello, orange. Right, put it on one side. Just all warmed up. Red Nut. Come on. I went up the idle. It's just idle too low. The next screw on this one is a star. I've got the tool here, but I don't think it's done anything. It's just the idle itself. So I'll see if I can find the screw and just adjust that just a little bit. As I said, the second-hand motor, nowhere new, but hasn't been used much. Has been used since last time you guys saw it. Come on. That will change when this wears in a little bit more. Try that. Now these two saws, orange doesn't do this. Red Nut, I put a timing light on the flywheel, and the timing light in this showed this thing automatically adjust itself. So you get up to about 34 degrees on the flywheel. Orange stays where it is. So that is old style the way it is. But yeah, more modern. If you hear it crackling in the exhaust from time to time, when this saw was donut, it would crackle and play up. And I think it's the coil. I think it's something to do with that. I have swapped it over, but I never could work out what caused it. So we're going to do some storing. Storing, please. You can hear the difference in the exhaust. This is an empty can, it just goes bang bang and it's out. Orange having an exhaust back in, only one, it takes longer to get out, and I think that's holding that stall back, I think. So I'll get another muffler and swap that over when I get a chance, but I think I'll be selling this to my next door neighbour. He gave me a saw to do up, a 45cc, and every part of that saw is like, straight away, pull start, the spring was no good, the carb seized up, the fuel line seized up, every bolt got water damage, rust, yeah, it's not good. And he said it's got a new chain, the chain is rusted up through here, so, you know, I think I'll sell him this one, it's easier for me and him. Now I think that's the first time I ever got evidence of that muffler working. It doesn't like doing revs, but it's got torque, so you can tell me, you see, I could dig that in more than that red nut, and it won't hold high revs, but it was happy to cut those revs and stay there, and I could feel that with red nut, it bogged down, to cut too much and start to die. So it works for a reason, it works for a torque, but not horsepower, so I will change the exhaust over and try same as that one there, before you get baby bulb, I suppose. But yeah, we'll move over. But yeah, I think it works for the reason I want torque, but no power. So no good if it doesn't do both things. I want some power and torque. It's not an old saw. That big lump on that thing, wow. Need pain in the butt. It's wet, guys. Right. Well, I just started back up again and didn't want to start. When it doesn't want to start, not enough fuel, so that means you're low, needs more fuel. So up the low and up the idle and tuned it so she's down low. I've turned her off that she should start back up with 1 or 2 pulls. Dying down, so upping my squish has actually upset the low more than the high. It's weird. Things like that, I want to know what happens in small increments before you start going high. Step by step. must say, whatever that is, it's bloody hard. I know it's an insect nest or an ant nest, but what this timber is, it's hard stuff. It just, you hear a high pitched noise. Wow. Hard. Hard change too. That is goddamn hard stuff. I don't even know what that is. Alright, orange. Give me closer. Orange is not going to cut anywhere near this thing. That cylinder, I need to find more of them. I'm not sure where they come from. I have seen them for sale before, but because China's falling apart, you can't buy. I shouldn't say that, but yeah, we all know they are. Something is going on, big time. So yeah, orange. I'll do it from that side. I gotta bounce this log up or fall over. Yeah, heavy. So we're clearing the log by that much, not much. It's not far off their close, but it definitely doesn't have the same power. I wish I could do saw against saw. I don't know how to do that. The computers and stuff. But we've got a log here. This log's still Australian hardwood, but it's semi-green. It's not seasoned, it's a bit green still. So you should be able to cut for that. Well, I should be able to cut. I don't know why we keep saying we. Should be able to cut for that pretty easy. It will still burn, but it's nowhere near dry. It's still a bit bark still. The one cut. I'll do one cut here, there's a knot. And the second cut I'll do over here. There's still a knot here though. I'll do that one first, it's beautiful. It's just the same size, but it's big that way. I'll do this one here first himself. So I do red nut. Just make sure I'm still rolling. Rolling. Oh yes, action, awesome. So. Might have to give more than the low, she's still not happy. Wow. I tell you what, because I love this particular cylinder, I'll spend time on that. I'll get more fuel in the low and make sure the oil's right. Okay, get more fuel in the low, just a tiny bit. Up the oil, just a tiny bit. And she responds, she revs up instantly. And 4 strokes just a bit and high. So we'll try to start up again. Just start on first pull. Still bloody hard. Alright, orange. Orange, hello. I'm crazy in the head, guys, crazy, insane, crazy. Which song was that from? Eminem. I like Eminem, it's crazy like me. Crazy called the world made in that way. Alright, let's try this again. Too cold a bit. We're going to do something for nails and stuff, rocks, whatever. Nothing really important. its rev. It didn't rev no higher, but it's torque, it's holding where it is. That part, I like that part there. That there is interesting to me, holding the rev at a certain rev, even though it's not high, that means it needs a bigger port. So the way it goes into that part at the back, if that was bigger and could gear quicker, but it holds rev, so that's a good thing. I like it. Do red nut back there. Hang on, red nut. Ah, baby, red nut. Just there, it dropped high and it dropped down. Now I think it's something to do with the coil self-adjusting, but it's not holding the revs like orange does, in my opinion. Changed something dull. Yeah, I thought so. That's a no-name chain, no brand at all. That one there's a longer chain. Now that one's getting dull, that longer is holding at the edge a lot better. Let's sharp for longer. So they're in the same amount of cuts. But this one here's deviating. I know the bars are no good. The bars, they're opening up. I will squeeze it back in. And I squeeze these back in, they come back out again. So they crap bars. That one there came with the saw, and that one there came with the other saw, which was that the 45cc. I sold that Thunder Undercat. So I'm missing that one. Right, do this cut. I'll end up with this video. Other sound of that sounds good, but this one sounds a lot better, I think. I think it's the winner of the sound. No worries, guys, which one do you like? Red nut or orange? Interesting. Alright, I might do a bit more cleaning, but end the video. So as usual, thank you so much for watching my mumbling crap. I know I mumble, I know I slip up, I'm not drunk. You have a stroke, guys, it screws with your brain, it screws with your income, it ruins your life really. So I'm doing what I can with what I've got left still. Alright guys, over and out, thanks for watching. No, another add-on, but I had to show you this. I just went over this long here to do a cut. I got this far and the saw started playing up, running out of fuel. Bent back, she's alright, and she saw that now. So I thought, oh, fuel, have a look. So there's a fuel. I'd probably start again if I got into it, but wouldn't run it because it's just running out of fuel. So fuel empty, there's not much in there at all. So I thought I'll look into orange. Orange, it's still got fuel. Surprisingly, so that extra muffler in the extra pipe in the exhaust is stopping fuel getting shot at the exhaust. In other words, giving me better fuel economy. So there's not much power, I have more torque, and I'm saving on fuel. So curious, I didn't expect that at all. Not that I thought, yeah, same sort of motor wise, but yeah. I'm surprised. So better fuel economy. Now let you go, guys. Alright guys. Now over and out.